Hi everyone, here's a really quick video on how to use Padlet. So you just go to padlet.com/sign in, and there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can actually use your login. You can sign up, which most of you will need to do, sign up for an account. It's really easy if you have a Gmail just to sign up with Google. When you click that, it'll ask you to choose a Gmail account. So I'm going to choose my Gmail account and I will log in. It automatically comes up. Normally, it'll ask you for a password for your Gmail password the first time you log in. If you're using the same computer, it may not ask you again, so you may not have to worry about that. So one of you will need to do this. The rest of you will be able to log in and then go to the Padlet that has been created for you. So someone needs to go and make a Padlet. And I would say start with a wall, because that's pretty much what you'll be using, is a wall setting up the different tasks that you need to do. So I would hit select a wall, and you can always play with what you want the background to look like and all that kind of fun stuff. But I'm going to start this by saying stuff that needs to be done. And that's what you will do. You will list the stuff that needs to be done and provide that for your partners. Description is going to be stuff that needs to be done. And of course, my spelling is awful. Okay, so then you'll hit next. And the next thing you need to do is to go with those who with access. You need to add contributors. So here is where you will add your teammates' email addresses, the ones that they are going to use for Padlet. Make sure you check with them and that they're using those specific email addresses for Padlet, and that way you can have everything kosher. That way everything will work smoothly. Everyone is going to be able to remake the Padlet. That's important that you choose that portion. And then again, you'll hit next, and then you'll be all set. So you'll hit start posting, and what you'll do from there is you will just click on the background and you will choose what to write. So let's say the first thing you need to have done is create the objectives. So you'll have those objectives to be created, and you'll say, please check the earth science objectives and place them on the, objectives, and place them on the lesson plan template. Right, so that's something that needs to be done. Maybe another thing that needs to be done is to create the graphic organizer. So maybe on the graphic, and my spelling is terrible right now, the graphic organizer, and maybe somebody needs to include lesson plan information on the graphic organizer. Right, so then you have those things set up so people know what to do, and when they go to the Padlet, they can choose, okay, this is something I'm going to do, and once it's been done, they just hit delete, and now it's been done, and you know that that's something that's been completed. So that's the power of Padlet. That's what I want you to use your Padlet for. When you meet face to face, you'll create a list of things that you need to do. Just take that list, add it to your Padlet, and that way people can log on at any time, whether they log on at home or they could log on in class, but regardless, they log on and they see the things that need to be completed, and that way everything's taken care of. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about Padlet. I'd be happy to help you out, but for the most part, it's pretty easy. I think you'll be able to figure it out. Let me know once again if you have any questions. I'm always here for you.